This is the Weed Snatcher, the amazing new tool that quickly and easily removes weeds from cracks and crevices. Get rid of those unsightly weeds from sidewalks, driveways, patios, and wood decking in minutes, without using toxic chemicals that are harmful to the environment. You'll spend much less time doing yard work and more time relaxing. At the push of a button, the adjustable handle extends in length from 3 feet to 6 feet, making it easy and comfortable for both adults and children, with no bending over. The Weed Snatcher also comes with interchangeable heads. Change from the larger tip for sidewalks and driveways to the smaller tip for patios and decks. And it's so easy to use. A quick pass with the Weed Snatcher, followed by another with a broom, and you're done. You simply have to try it to believe it. Reserve your Weed Snatcher today.
Inspiration can strike anywhere, anytime. Now part of the 20-volt max system, the mouse sander has gone cordless. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver. With the 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, it can hold a charge up to 18 months, so it's ready when you are. Plus, the detail finger attachment allows you to get into those extra hard-to-reach areas. And with the dust collection feature, you can clean up quickly. Now, the cordless mouse sander can come along wherever the project takes you. The cordless mouse detail sander from Black & Decker, helping to make life a little smoother.
There will be messes. There will be parties. There will be pet hair. And the Black & Decker 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum will be there to clean it up. Our 2-in-1 cordless easily goes from a stick to a handheld and helps you power through your cleaning with strong suction. The Black & Decker 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum, where portable meets affordable. Available at your favorite stores.